I'm sorry.
It's recording, I think.
Oh, alright.
How do you know if it's recording?
It's flashing.
Oh, there's
a
time.
recording
There's seconds.
symbol. Son.
Oh. He's got the hiccups.
Must be kind of uncomfortable.
Yeah, probably.
It looked much more comfortable in your arms.
It's just kind of awkward. You just gotta get used to it.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart.
Just hold his head up right there, and that will make it a little more comfortable for you. If you support it.
How do I hold his head up and pat his back? You weren't holding his head up.
I think I had his bottom in here. You could try it on your leg.
Oh yeah. Let's try that one.
But he has to be up. He can't be burping and spit up back and then swallow it. So.
Oh.
Oop.
Goodness me. Oh, sweetheart. This is so awkward because you're so...
I know. Oh, honey boy. You okay, honey boy?
Whoa, using those neck muscles.
Oh, honey boy. Hi.
I don't even know if patting you is going to help with the burps. Doesn't help adults. Doesn't help us.
You look so cute. Oh, you're so beautiful.
Yeah. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at my little legs. My little toes. Yeah. Oh.
I think we need to get him in the bathtub ASAP before he gets hungry.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Operation Clean Baby.